Hello everyone! May audience tayo sa likod. Okay, ako naman ang mag-vlog ngayon using PPT's Honor 90. Okay, there. This is just one round of biking. Naku, mabigat na.
Told ya.
Nabibigatan ako.
Told ya.
But I have stronger leg muscles.
You have bigger
brake.
calves.
I just used the brake. Okay, pakita mo yung ano. There, the brake is over here. Hindi nakikita. Pakita na lang natin ang traffic. Yeah, there's a traffic in front of us. There.
But it's biking traffic.
Oo, kasi maraming nagpa-biking. Iharap mo doon. Hindi, ilagay mo doon. Ako yung ating cameraman. Ayan, ganyan. Para biking. O, syempre, pakita mo naman yung mukha ko. Diba? There. Okay. When I was young, I came here to bike every summer. Ano lang naman? Holy Week. So, pero yung binabike natin yung hindi ganire. Ito pang bonding na bike to eh. Oops! I-stabilize. Ginaganyan ko, bumabalik doon. Pag ganyan. So, when I was younger, may picture akong nagbabike. So, yun, reliving that memory. Sabi ko kay TTT, baka kaya lagi tayong nabibitin sa mga pinupuntahan natin. Well, at least sa case ko, because we don't do the full experience. Wala na akong oxygen sa ano ko. Sa...
Oh, see, I told ya.
Yeah.
Mabagal ako because it's heavy.
Oh.
Now you're feeling.
Okay, but if we don't concentrate on that, kaya naman. Kaya siya mahirap kasi mabagal. So walang momentum. Pero kung bibilisan mo, magko-compensate yung hirap, pero hindi tayo stagnant. Oh, because the speed, anong tawag mo dyan? Yung will help you move. Kay, oo, mapapagod ka talaga. So yarn, going back, yun nga, kasi walang full experience. So kasama to, kahit matanda na tayo, we will do this. Because this is what we did when we were much younger.
Lavarn lang.
Lavarn. But hindi tayo isang ikot. Yung kalahating ikot, ang ating cameraman hindi naman tumitingin sa ating yun. Bigat. I forgot kung saan tayo nagbayad. So ilang minutes na, nakikita mo na? Sandali lang. Hindi na natin papahabaan. I see our bags.
4 minutes.
Dito na tayo. 4 minutes lang.
Okay, so we just had an accident. A collision course.
So, we're back at our concessionaire's place. Hindi ako makatayo. My God, tomorrow, pahirapan to sa legs natin. Oh, di natin kaya. Dapat pala, dapat palang nirent natin yung dalawa tayong nagpe-pedal. Makahingal. So yun na. Thank you very much. Our able body is not able at all. that kind of thing is not for us. Pwede pa siguro pag ganito. Bye for now.